Hi, seventh grade. Welcome back. Hopefully, this is the first thing you're watching before you actually jump into the document. So, the video is something that you should watch first and then work on the documents because if you just jump into the document, it can be confusing. Some students were confused with the video on Tuesday because there were two videos up there and they thought they had done them. One of them was for Monday, the other one's for Tuesday. So, today, the only video that's up on in Classroom for this assignment is the one you're watching now. So you have done this already. You saw the population and how many students per homeroom. You also looked at the results. So you should have done this today, but I did this with my group B. So in fifth grade, I got 20 votes in Michigan, 18 votes in Harvard, and 20 votes in Stanford. So I won all those homerooms, right? That does not mean that Miss Crawford didn't get any votes. It just means that I won the majority. Miss Crawford still got 14, 16, and 15 votes. So she still got some votes. But you will see that that's not gonna matter. She might as well have gotten 0 votes because uh, I'm going to take the majority of votes, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So I won fifth grade, and it was not even close, right? I won by 13 votes, right? The difference between what I got and what she got, and then things change, right? So I won the big homerooms. I won the big homerooms, right? I got a lot of the vote in the big homerooms, but then I lost all the smaller ones. So I got 58 and 45 in fifth grade, and then you should have answered these questions. In sixth grade, I got 15 votes. I got 15 votes, and she got 18 votes, right? So she beat me by a difference of 3. Here, the difference for me was 13, okay, for Merlos. This one was +3 for her. And then you should have answered these questions as well. Seventh grade, I got 28 votes, and she got 32. So the difference of 4 votes. Okay? So I hope you guys understand what I mean by the difference, right? I got 28, she got 32, so the difference is 4 votes. For Crawford, and for Merlos. Okay? You see that this wasn't close, but these are pretty close, right? Only 3 votes. If some of these other students that did not vote had voted, it might have been a tie. If I had gotten this student and this student and this student, it would have been a tie. But they didn't vote. Here, Crawford won by 4 votes again. And then we get to the 8th grade. In 8th grade, she got 16 votes, and I got 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 13, 14. So +3 votes for Crawford. So she got 3 plus 4 plus 3. Okay. So that's not equivalent to 13. So you'll see that I won. I won the most homerooms. I won the most homerooms, but I lost the no, sorry, I take it back. I apologize. I lost the homerooms. She won the most homerooms. I won the most votes. Okay. So um who won the popular vote in the 3 homerooms combined? Um who won the most popular votes in these 3 homerooms? These 3 homerooms means 8th grade, right? So all of these, let's go back here. So for C, who won the popular vote in 5th grade? Merlos did. Okay. What home runs did Merlos win? I won all of them. Michigan, Harvard, and Stanford. What home runs did Crawford win? She won none. She won 0. And then who won the popular votes in 6th grade? Crawford did. Crawford won the popular vote. She won all of them. UCB, Northwestern, and Duke. And I won. So I won 0, and she won all of them. Okay. For 7th grade, same story, right? These are all the same answers. And for 8th grade, the same story. Today, you're working on this, and you're going to start previewing this. So, question 1. How many total votes did Mr. Merlos win for all homerooms? So in order to get that, you have to add 58 plus 15 plus 28 plus 13. Okay, that's this answer. Okay. Number 2, how many votes did Miss Crawford win for all the homerooms? So for that, you're gonna have to add 45 plus 18 plus 32 plus 16. That's for this answer. Who won the popular vote? That means who got the most votes? Was it Crawford or Merlos? So based on these two answers, you're gonna answer this question. How many homerooms did Merlos win? How many homerooms did Crawford win? Based on this vote count, who do you think should be declared the winner? Right? Who should be declared the winner? Miss Crawford won the most homerooms, I'll tell you that. Right? She won 9 of them. Merlos won 3 of them. But I got the most votes. So tomorrow, I mean Wednesday, you're working on section G, and then you're gonna be focusing on this because this is what makes things more complicated. It will be easy if whoever wins the most votes would be president, but it doesn't work that way. In 2016, Hillary Clinton won 55 million votes and Donald Trump won 53 million votes, or 52, something like that. And Hillary Clinton lost because of what you're about to learn here. Okay, so on Wednesday, you're definitely working on section G, and you're going to begin previewing this. It says, but wait, spoiler alert, the winner is not decided based on total votes he or she gets. It is based on something that was developed way back when KIPP was created in 2003. Our founding administrators did not trust the students to vote directly for the presidents. Instead, they would vote for electors. They could trust these, who would then vote for the president. Whoever wins the most votes in each homeroom wins that homeroom. So I win the 5th grade homerooms. But they don't actually win the votes. They win a number assigned to that homeroom that is based on the number of representatives. Remember, they all have 2, including one. I think I left one of the 5th graders with no representatives, but they have one. In combination with a number that is given for the size of their homeroom. How many students per homeroom, per class? Homerooms with a large number of students are given a large electoral votes. This way, presidential candidates would not simply focus on winning a large homeroom. I misspelled homeroom, sorry. And instead focus on smaller homerooms as well. So in 5th grade, I won Stanford, so this is gonna be mine. Stanford gets 2 votes for each representative plus 53 votes for a total of 55 votes. So these are all going to Merlos. Okay, I get all of those votes. Again, each homeroom gets 2 votes plus a number based on population. Which in this case, Stanford gets 53. We can talk about why they get 53 exactly, but we're not gonna go into that. So I get a total of I don't know how to add this. 55 plus 55 is 55. Okay. 6th grade, Miss Crawford's gonna get for UCB, she's gonna get 20 plus another 20 plus another 20. So just from UC from 6th grade, she's gonna get 60 electoral votes because she won those homerooms. Okay, so you see how it doesn't matter if she won it by 1 or she won it by a million. It wouldn't matter, right? Those votes she's gonna get. In 7th grade, same thing. She's gonna get 29, 27, and 29. In 8th grade, she's gonna get 16, 16, and 16. Okay, you're not doing this yet. I just want you guys to begin looking at this because this is gonna take some time. Okay, so whoever wins a homeroom or whoever wins a state gets a certain amount of electoral votes. California has 55 electoral votes that are broken up 2 for each representative, each senator, and 53 because of the population. California is the biggest state, so we have the most electoral votes. And whoever gets the majority of electoral votes wins. And the United States is 270 electoral votes. So again, today you are making sure that this is done. You're working on section G, and you're watching the video. You're working on section G, and then you're taking your exit ticket I saw a number of you did not take your exit ticket. Please make sure that that's complete, okay? Stay safe. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.